this movie is very special to me. Yena, the crew, everyone, I had so much fun shooting with them. To name all of them, first of all, Keerthana, thank you so much. எனக்கு இந்த opportunity கொடுத்ததுக்கு. And our producers, Naveen sir, Ravi sir, அப்புறம் Adil sir, he is not there, I guess. Thank you. Niketana, it was so much fun working with you. Lata ma'am, அப்புறம் Bharatana, and Pradeep sir, amazing co-star. எனக்கு ரொம்ப சப்போர்ட் பண்ணாங்க நீங்கள் தெரிஞ்சும் தெரியாமலும் because I've learned a lot from you. Thank you so much. Sharat sir, thank you. Sharat sir பற்றி சொல்லணும்னா எப்படின்னா, if I'm sitting quiet somewhere, no, he'll ask me what happened to you. யாருமே அது பார்க்க மாட்டாங்க. Like எப்படின்னா, he'll come and sit with me. என்னாச்சு எனக்கு? அப்போ I'll say,